Hey, my name's Ben, and today I'll be showing you how to use a variety of different quick connect fittings. It's important to know how to operate and use these as they're standard in most filtration systems. Here we have a standard inline carbon filter with quick connect fittings on either side. Now to operate these is very simple. Grab your tubing, slide it into the fitting. When you feel it press the second time, that's how you know it's sealed in properly. If you try and pull on it, it's impossible to pull out. Now to undo the fitting, simply get 2 fingers either side of the tube and then pull the tubing out. Make sure you press in that small inner ring inside. One other important thing to note is that you'll also need a nice flat edge on your tubing. If you're having trouble with it not sealing or holding, this will be the reason. As you can see here, this doesn't have a nice flat edge, therefore it won't seal properly. Take a tube cutter or a Stanley knife and make sure you get a nice good flat cut on it. Like that, for example.